Hello, YouTube friends and family. Ollie's got a chokehold on me these days. I am really loving shopping at Ollie's. Good stuff, cheap. And they really are standing by that. And if you have not heard, Ollie's is buying some of the Big Lots locations. They are buying the one, if you are in Jacksonville, Florida, they are moving into the one on Merrill. That was a Big Lots. Now it's going to be a Ollie's. So I got several locations within a distance that I can go to now. And I am glad. But I prefer my Kingsland location, which is where I went today, Kingsland, Georgia, on Memorial Day. I had to go out. I could not resist it. But I did need some. I was looking for, to measure the cushions, the patio cushions, to see if I could use them. But I could not. So sadly, that was not a wasted trip. And I had a 15% off my whole purchase coupon. And I had a $30, no, not a $30, 30% off, 30% off of one item, because I bought in my last haul, which you did not see, it's back home with me now. I bought one of the portable air conditioners for $2.99, and I'm kicking myself because I wish I'd had 30% off then. That would have been $90 off. So it was $2.99 plus tax. So it wouldn't have been but $2.10. Those things were on $4.50. And according to my tenants, it worked. It did what it came to do until the AC got fixed today. Okay? AC was fixed. It was a capacitor. I need to learn how to change my own capacitors because that's what it always is. And I'm like, come on now. And they'll charge you like $200-$300 to change a $30 part these days. But I have my home warranties. So I paid $95 and I do need to be on it because they're supposed to reimburse me $100 on that thing. So I need to do that before they fully close my ticket and try me like they don't owe me $100. Okay? So what I bought today, so while I was over there were some other things expressed as far as the things in the home. And this tenant has been with me since cameraman was not even 2 years old, and he's now 17. Okay, so she's been with me over 15 years. So, and I've done things to the house. I've kind of redid the bathrooms, retiled. I've retiled most of the house. I got some carpet I do need to change out if I'm going to do carpet, or if I'm just going to go through there with tile too and just make it a fully tile house. I don't know. I have not decided yet. There are some decisions I need to make. So, this is what I bought, and I don't know. Okay. Yes, they have ceiling fans. They have bigger, nicer ones than Lowe's. This was $59.99. But of course, it is what I use my 30% off on. So I only paid $44 for it. And it will be installed. In fact, I need to call and let her know. It will be installed hopefully on Wednesday. So I did get that. And I did that as a separate transaction so there's no confusion. So that was the 30% off. Then I did 15% off my rest of my order. And oh my goodness, I'm tired. It's 11 something here. Memorial Day, Monday. I shopped today. I relaxed. I cooked today. And I never did get in the garden like I intended. But we'll see. So, spiritual herbalism, $7.99. Only thing I did not like about this book is there were no like color photos. They're like these drawings and things. But there's a couple of color photos. I'm guessing that's the author. And when they give you an herb, they tell you a story. but I really wouldn't be able to identify the herb from this picture, in my opinion. However, it tells you the dosages, external applications, and using the leaf, what part of it you use, like other names for it. So where it comes from as far as West Europe and Asia, where they use it most. And now all this planetary influence, we gonna skip that. And they tell you use the leaves and the flowers. So I thought, I was looking at this and I thought, yeah, this one might work. Now this stuff I don't know about, but it seems like, it'll help. It tells you about digestive systems, what herbs work for that. It gives you the recipes and how to make the tinctures. Oh my goodness. Recipes for womb oil. Laying of hands. Now I know of that. So I got to read it a little bit more, but I say let me get it because it was only one more in the store. Maybe I didn't see any more. So I said let me get it because it's only one here. And there you got some Viagra type stuff in here. So yeah, something for, okay. It's some recipes in here that might help. So I figure this will be a good book to add to my herbal library. Okay. And then this was so giftable. I just visualized a gift basket with this stuff. Okay. And I was very shocked to see it. I don't think it was in the ad. And it's just so giftable. So it's a puzzle sort. And then it is the puzzle mat. Holds up to 1,500 pieces. Holds up to 1,000 pieces. As you're working on the puzzle, you can roll it up and come back to it. And then you can sort and stack these trays. So you can work on, how you sort it by color if you're doing a pretty difficult puzzle or a larger puzzle. So I thought this was so cool. It has the 46 by 26 inch felt mat, 2 securing straps, and an inflatable tube to roll it in. So I thought these were so cute to go together if you have an elderly person who likes to do puzzles. So I bought 2 sets of these. This was $3.99 for the stacker sorter, and this was $4.99. And I already have some puzzles that can go with it. So I bought 2 of these. And I think that with a puzzle or 2, how much you like the person. And, a little snacky snacks while you're doing your puzzles would make a cute giftable basket. So I did buy that. And then I bought this. Hopefully it'll fit my mattress because my mattress is very, very thick. But I bought a cooling mattress pad. It's summertime. And, this is the good side. It's summertime. And I always cover my mattresses. And I was like, let's see if this will work to cool me off at nighttime. Because somewhere around 4 o'clock, I get a little overheated. Don't know why, but about 4 o'clock in the morning, that hot flash hit me in my sleep. And I would love to have something that helps. So, Ollie has the bath sheets. They are $7. Not sure if Costco is cheaper. I'm not sure. This is hotel collections. This might even be the same brand Costco sells. But I saw them and I said, okay, it's time to change cameraman's from the little towels to a couple of bath sheets because he is big. So I bought 2 of these, same color, for him. He'll be happy to get that. And then I also found these mossy oak fishing shorts. Charlie, just mossy oak shorts. Oh wow. And they were $5.99. But of course, remember I had 15% off all of this. So they were $5.99. And they had some more colors, but I chose this for him. And it has the drawstring on the inside to tie it up if it's a little bit too big in the waist. But those are cool for the summer. Here's my second sort and go. And then for the food section. See, I didn't do too bad. I think my second total was $70 with the towels and the $20. This mattress thing was $20. Okay, it was $19.99. So that was a big purchase. And then the puzzle stuff was another $18-ish. So that's where the money went. But we got chocolate peanut butter Rice Krispie treats, 7 of them in this box. And they were $1.99. But remember, 15% off. So those were cool. Then I bought, which I always grab, if they have some I might want to try, Cup of Noodles Ramen Bistro. And this is Korean gochujang beef. And this was 99 cents. So I grabbed 2 of these just for a quick, I don't know what I'm going to eat today sort of thing for lunch. And I need to hurry up and eat. If I got to, I will eat these every now and then. Not every week. Maybe once or twice a month. I bought these on the last haul. As I told you, they are very good. I bought the caramel version on the last haul. This time they had the vanilla version. Now let me tell you, this is $1.99. I bought one. I don't know what I was thinking. Had 2% cash back on, what's that, Upside for Dunkin' Donuts. So I decided to buy my Happy Tail through that drive-thru. I ordered a medium, like, signature drink of the month, some kind of caramel, frozen coffee, whatever. Half calf. Because I had already bought that, drank that peach lemonade from the Dollar Tree. I already drank that with the 160 micrograms of caffeine. They do not taste good. The yerba mates, they do not taste good. That's a no for me. But I finished it. And I was like, nope, I ain't trying to give myself a heart attack today. So I just went on and did a half calf frozen medium coffee. That thing was $6.83. The devil is a lie. How y'all keep them drive-thrus full? I don't understand. Mix this with some more coffee, blend it with some ice and water. You got the same dang on thing. Maybe froth up some cream with your frother. Same thing. Man, please. $6.83. Who doing that on the regular? Child, because I wouldn't be able to do that for another month and a half. I'm sorry. And I'm so glad cameraman wasn't with me, because he might have wanted one. Child, $6.83. It was good, but $6.83. So, $2.49 for these Belvita Energy Snack Bites. So I say they'll be cool to try. Oh, and if you find something expired in Ollies, they take an extra 25% off. They had them signs up. I still think that's not enough, because if it's expired, y'all need to be giving it away. But just in case y'all see something that y'all really want and y'all don't mind that it expired 2 days ago, then get your extra 25% off. But this don't expire to July 13th. I better hide them in my room for me. Okay. Then I saw this spicy ginger. It's supposed to be a dip, but I'll use it as a sauce on that salmon I got in my Kroger haul. I'll probably try to use it as a sauce. and it was $1.99. So I might make me some ginger salmon with some sauteed Ichiban eggplant from the yard. Oh, that sounds good, don't it? That sounds so good. I'm listening because we had some gun activity over here. That's why I'm listening. I hear something. We had some gun activity over here the other day. So I don't know if I need to duck around here. Get off. And that's all I'm going to say about that because the neighbors might be watching. So, I did not buy the unit for these. They did have the unit, the Glade units for these. But since it was plug-in, I didn't want it. I already have something similar. But I did go ahead and buy the scents because they smell amazing. And I already have a different unit that I could try to refill the bottle with. I hope that works. So I just bought 2 of these, the Uplift and the Fine Clarity. And I'm going to try to put it in a different unit. Well, I guess I'm going to throw it on the floor too, huh? It hopped out my hand. So, yeah, I'm going to try to see if I can either use it in another unit or decant it into another unit and see how that works out. If not, them units will be there and I'll just buy one. But I was trying not to. And cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree alert. Wall anchors with the screws. The screws may not work, but the wall anchors I really do need for something that's hanging up in my house that's about to fall off the wall. Like the day it's going to fall. If it falls middle of the night, it might give me a heart attack. So I really need to get that taken care of. And that is it. That's that Ollie's haul. Yes, I did. Oh, that's not it. I bought 2 bags of garden soil. They were $5.99 each, but again, I had 15% off. So that brought it down to about $5 roughly, I guess. I don't know the math. Yeah, about $5. So that is it. That's my Ollie's haul. Yes, I went back to Ollie's again this week. Between Ollie's, Aldi, it's got a chokehold on me. But there's some of the new stuff you can find. Get down to your local Ollies because some of the stuff is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And I did post a short of some other books you might be interested in. I can't bring a whole lot home. I only bought one. I'm so proud of me. But you may see something in that video that you like. So check out that short. And as always, hit that like button for the algorithm, please. Get me in the algorithm. Watch the whole videos. Go watch 2-3 more videos of mine, please. I need my watch hours, please. And again, subscribe if you are not subscribed. My name is JC. I'm a single mama. Check out my garden channel. I garden in an HOA. HOA where they pulling out guns, but we might talk about that another day. But yes, I do garden in an HOA. Some single mama of 1 baby. Almost 50. I turned 50 this year. My baby's going to be a senior when school starts. It's a lot of changes. It's a lot of changes, but we move. So, thank you so much for watching. And as always, prep and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. You have an amazing, amazing day. Bye-bye.